Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. I had promised a patient a video of a home exercise program. You've seen my other videos where during the first 1 to 2 weeks after a total knee replacement, we work on weight shifting. We come over to the kitchen counter. We work on weight shifting front to back, surgical foot forward, then we switch non-surgical foot forward. We go a little side to side. Somebody was asking me about increasing the intensity, making it harder because they were able to do this, but they wanted to do more. So using a resistance band, and there's lots of different brands out there. I'll link to one that we use here in the clinic. The simplest way is you cut a length, you lay it down on the floor. Now, a lot of my patients have a hard time getting down on the floor. So I'm gonna show you a way to do this where you don't actually have to be able to touch the floor. So you take your resistance band, you lay it down, you place the foot that you wanna work on, and then you drop the other end over it. Now I step on it with my non-surgical leg. So this is my anchor, and then what we can do is we can do 10 of the side leg raises. We can then bring it up. So this is where I'm saying I don't have to reach the floor. I can grab it from there. If we want to work on hip flexion, I can come into this position. Now I'm working on hip flexion. I can bring it back and we can work on hip extension. There's a lot of variety that we could do with something like this. We can even work the rotators. This is one of those movements that's really important. It works hip rotation and hip flexion at the same time. And then again, when we're finished, if you can get to that foot, you pick it up and you're done. Go give it a try. I'll see you guys on the next video.